Okay, I'm going to start with this guy here. If any of you see my previous video where I was showing off these Condor river agates, yeah, this is the big guy here. I'm going to put a slice into this one here, see what it opens up, and then I might glue it up onto a piece of wood just so I can throw it onto the other saw. You can't see it, I'm pointing at it though. Onto the bigger lower tone saw and make some slabs off of that. But first, I gotta make a relatively flat surface. Let's go.
What is he?
It's agate from Argentina.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but this crack here is going to mess me up.
Aw.
It already cracked a piece out when I was making this cut.
Aw. That's pretty.
But yeah.
Beautiful color.
Yeah, I was hoping it would be a little more of a vibrant pattern, but like I said, that crack there,
This color here, even if it spits there, you can use both sides.
Exactly like what happened here.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's really pretty. So is that with the orange in there?
Yeah. see some more of the orange dots and whatnot throughout it, right?
What is that from, or do you know?
Sorry?
What is it from? Or
The
do you
orange? Just from different minerals that the water picked up
know?
or
Very cool.
brought up. Because it's an agate, right? So it was filled by volcanic hot water. And so it's
are you
whatever
cutting
minerals,
all of
yeah.
these?
Yeah, these are all the same. Well, not all the same, but same general idea, same agates from Argentina.
And what are you doing with them?
Well, this one I am going to glue up on a board and try to make a few slabs. But like I said, that crack is sort of. We'll have to see how deep that goes when I make the other slabs. But yeah, that's that one.
This one looks cool too with the little pockets.
Yeah, that one's going to be a little bit tricky to cut into.
Oh,
I'm thinking
wow.
I'm just going to slice it off like
Yeah.
that.
That's what. See this one. I like this.
Oh, is that the
This-
one that was on the table?
Yeah, but I want to make it go like this. Cut it after,
Oh, yeah.
which is not. I don't know the best way to do that unless I make this flat. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
Not an easy.
Exactly. That's
decision,
the
right?
thing with rocks, you know?
Got to figure out where. That one will be very. Looks like fire.
Yeah.
Like if you, like that, looks
Yeah,
like fire
exactly.
inside.
So like I said, with that, like I said, I was just thinking of doing a couple of slices like that.
Now, how
and, see
wide
how
would
it
you make
opens
them?
up. Here we go.
Don't know. Go for it.
There was one or two that I looked at. I'm trying not to look at them. Trying. Seriously. But yeah. There was one piece, if you remember from my previous video, yeah, this guy I think I'm going to throw in the tumbler with some Mexican wannabe fire agate. Anyways, I'm going to throw that in there with that. Okay. Now I got to grab a scraper, clean up my mess. Okay, just in the tumbler room, washing my rocks. You guys just saw me cut a bunch of Condor river agates. Yeah, they were sold to me as river crossing agate or something similar to that. So yeah, like I said, just gonna give these guys a quick wash off here. Some soap and water. And yeah, let's see what we can get into. Okay, this bigger one has that nice crack going down in there. I wonder how deep it goes. We shall find out once I glue it up to a piece of wood and yeah, make some slabs. I mean, you know, can't all be winners, right? Let's see here. What do we got in this next one here? Give it a little bit of a better scrubby scrub. Oops. Not bad. Definitely has some potential. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my. That has a lot of potential. Okay, let's carry on here. Trying not to look at it. That last one I looked at, unfortunately, but like I said, I'm trying not to look at it. I'm trying. Y'all ready for this one? Ooh. I will definitely have to re-show these with a little bit of a better lighting. Wow. Okay, this one here that I'm washing off right now, it's the one that I said I'm going to throw in with those Mexican possible fire agate. The bag of fire agate that I got, I was told, you know, was no fire in there. So I'm just going to tumble it. It'll be my first tumbling experience. And I'm going to also throw this agate in there. Yeah. See how that tumbles out. Okay, this is one of the pieces, I believe, that broke off the bigger chunk, the first one that I cut. So yeah, there's that. And I think this is the second piece of that first slice that I made into that big, I don't know, maybe it's a carnelian. Maybe there's some more banding deeper inside. We'll find out eventually. Yeah, this is that other piece to that first cut that I made that broke apart. Okay, this was that precise cut I was saying I was going to have to make. It had that two-sided face on it, and yeah, that is the inside of that guy. Oh, wow, 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 wow. And I think this is the other half to the one that I just showed you. I hope it is. I want to see that one. Oh, wow. Okay, like I said, I'm trying not to look at it. My eyes are wide shut. Okay, there's the water. I'm looking at you guys, not looking at that guy down there. And, oh yeah. Oh my. Mama. Oh yeah. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Still not looking at these. I got 2 more pieces in here to scrub off and to show you guys. And yeah, then we'll take things from there. We'll see. Nope, still not looking at it. Nope. Not looking. I want to try and see it with you guys. Yeah. Share the experience. It's all about sharing. Sharing is caring, and caring is sharing. Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. One last piece here. Give it a quick scrubby, scrubby, scrub. I'm not looking. Nope, can't make me. Okay, I looked at it, but that's what I saw of it. Still washing off the backside. Okay, now that I'm scrubbing the front side of it, I'm looking at you guys. Yeah, you. I'm looking at you. Okay. Scrubby, scrubby, scrub. This is, I do believe, the last piece that I had in this dish to wash off. Let me just turn the water on. Ooh. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, no, there's still one more piece in here. Wow, okay. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Don't look, don't look, don't look. It's kind of a small piece, and it's wanting to flip around in my hand. So I'm trying not to look.